In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer crypto from CoinDCX to Coinbase. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm gonna teach you how to transfer your assets from CoinDCX into Coinbase. First, you need to grab your wallet address from Coinbase. To do this, open the application and choose the receive option. You can also go to your wallet or your assets, select a specific cryptocurrency, and the receive option will also be available. When you choose receive or deposit, you will be given your address. So in this example here, it is an address for Ethereum. So copy the corresponding address depending on the asset that you will be sending over. And once you have this address copied, go into the CoinDCX app. Inside of CoinDCX, access your account page and you will find plenty of options, including your crypto transactions. So choose crypto transactions from this menu and you will find withdraw at the bottom of the page. So this will allow you to transfer your crypto from CoinDCX to another exchange. Select the same crypto that you chose on Coinbase, make sure that they match, and now you will be able to initiate this transfer. Select yes if you are transferring to an account that you own. The network should be selected by default, and then on the address, all that you have to do is paste the address that you copied from Coinbase. You will also see your address book at the right side, and if you tap on this icon, you can see the external wallets that you have added. So you can add more wallets as needed, and once you choose any of these, you will be able to use them as the recipient. So input the corresponding address, then the Bitcoin amount or any other crypto amount in here. Be aware of any included fees and then confirm this transfer. It will be processed immediately and you will receive the crypto assets that you sent over inside of Coinbase. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from CoinDCX to Coinbase. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.